Is how to fix YouTube audio rendered error in Windows 10 or Windows 11. If you are also facing such type of YouTube audio rendered error, then here are the fixes. Launch Google Chrome browser or any browser you prefer. Go to settings. Here from the left pane go to system and turn the toggle button on or disable use hardware acceleration when available. Disable this feature. Also go to about Chromes and update Google Chrome or update Mozilla Firefox, whichever you are using, and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. Go to your Windows PCs, go to Windows settings, go to sound under system settings, scroll down and you will find the option more sound settings. Click on it. A new window will appear. Here select your default speaker or audio device. Go to advanced from the top menu bar and disable signal enhancement. Enable audio enhancement. Make the uncheck the box and place apply and then OK. And check your error. If your error is still, then go to the next fixes. Again go to Windows settings and go to troubleshoot. Run the audio troubleshoot in Windows 10 and Windows 11 other troubleshooters and click on run button against audio troubleshoot. Let the window complete the process. Follow on screen instruction to complete the complete to run audio troubleshoot in Windows 10 and Windows 11. If your problem is still, then update your audio driver. Right click on start button, choose device manager, and here go to the audio inputs and output section, expand it, right click on your audio device driver and choose update driver and choose search automatically for a driver. Windows will update your driver. If not fixing your problem, then disable device for one time and again after few minutes enable audio device in Windows 10 and Windows 11 and check whether your error YouTube audio rendered is fixed or not. Definitely it will fix. That's all.